Hello Glomates! Hi beautiful people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and whether you're new or regular viewer, I'm so happy that you're here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you what are the things inside my work bag, and currently I'm using the Karl Lagerfeld canvas tote bag, this one. Yeah, so if you're interested what's inside my bag, then keep on watching. But before I start, if we share the same passion, you find my content interesting, please do not hesitate to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future episodes. So again, Glomates, I'm using the Karl Lagerfeld canvas tote bag. Maraming design to. Pili na lang kayo depende sa season and collection ni Karl Lagerfeld. Yeah, and if you're interested sa thorough review ng bag na to, nagawa ko na yon. Check nyo lang dito sa channel ko, Glomates. But for now, yeah, I'll be sharing with you what's inside my bag. So, first would be, of course, my laptop. And yes, this one is 15-inch laptop. And wag nyo ako i-judge. Wala akong laptop sleeve. Hindi pa ako nakakabili. Natawa, no? Walang budget. And then, of course, I have my big mirror. Yan. Siyempre, pag nag-retouch ka, kailangan mo ng mirror. At rainy season na dito sa Pilipinas, of course. Kailangan natin ng payong. This is a regular size umbrella. And yes, kasya siya dito sa bag na to. Again, if you would like to know the measurements of this bag, check nyo yung review ko, Glomates. O, diba? Paulit-ulit. And then, of course, I have my Karl Lagerfeld pouch. Inside of this pouch, nandito yung aking phone charger and laptop charger. That's that. Second pouch, Karl Lagerfeld, mas malaki ito. And inside of this pouch, nandito yung aking mouse and headset, you know, kapag may meetings, may sensitive na usapan at ayaw mong marinig ng nasa paligid, at kailangan mo talaga ng headset. And then, another charger. Tapos, Johnson's & Johnson's. Kung nandito ka sa channel ko since the very beginning, lagi akong may dalang baby powder. So, Johnson's & Johnson's, again, baka naman. No, I'm just kidding. I can only hope. And then, of course, my pouch, my Kiki kit. Andyan yung mga anik-anik ko, like hand sanitizer, pangkilay, basically, makeup, pang retouch. Yeah, inside of this pouch. And this Gisu Life portable fan. Siyempre kapag mainit, no, kahit naulan ngayon, may time pa rin na mainit. So kapag nasa jeep ka, kasi Glomates, you know naman, I don't own a car. So commute lang ang peg ng lola mo. Kailangan natin ito kahit habang naglalakad ka, pawisan ka. So meron kang fan. Yeah, yun nga lang parang eroplano, Glomates. But I like it because pwede ko siyang ilagay sa bulsa ng pants ko, ng shorts ko. Perfect to. Portable fan. And of course, wet wipes and perfume. Right now, I'm using Chloe. There you go, 90 ml. And then, my Sigma brushes. Yeah. Yun yung laman ng main compartment. Ang dami. And then dito sa compartment na to, slip pocket, my wallet, my key holder, and coin purse. Tapos, meron akong nakaklip na ballpen dyan, and yung tag ng bag, care card ng bag, at yung letter ni Karl Lagerfeld. Yeah. Yun lang. And then, meron akong 2 pesos coins here. So, probably sukli yan kanina sa jeep. So, basically, that's it. Those are the things inside my bag. That's it, classmates. Diba? Very quick lang yung video natin for today. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please do not forget to hit subscribe and turn on notification so that you never miss out in future episode. And classmates, your support means the world to me. Until next time, stay awesome, be gladsome, and keep chasing those dreams. And yes, ingat tayong lahat. Naulan na, laging magdala ng payong, classmates. And stay indoor if wala naman tayong importanteng ganap para safe tayo palagi, okay? So, ngayong tag-ulan, stay safe and dry. That's it, classmates. Bye!